Hi, welcome back to my channel. There's a beauty. Today we are going to be doing a very beautiful electric blue graphic liner today. I'm really much excited for this. I wanted to play with the colors for so long, so I was like, let's just do it today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right to the video. Okay, so for the primer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Especially I put this around my nose. Also right on my eyes. It's very important. I put every single primer that I use onto my face, onto my eyes, because my eyes are super dry and they get cakey really easily. But it's not for the brows. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Brow Lift, as we're just going to take some and brush it through the brows. Guys, I love this brow product. It really gives such a beautiful shape to the brows and literally makes them stay put in one place for the whole day. Okay guys, now for the color correction, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Silver Concealer, and I'm just going to take it and put it everywhere where I think I need some color correction, where I have a little bit of darkness. And also I take it to cover up my pimples a little bit, just like so. Okay guys, now I'm just going to blend this using my brush. It's super easy to blend, super blendable, easily blendable. I just love it so much. Okay, so now for the illuminator, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I love this product underneath my foundations, that's why I use it all the time. And also is a little bit thick, so it provides a bit of coverage. Very little, like very lightweight it is. Okay, so now we're just going to blend it into the skin. As you can see, it's super blendable and gives the beautiful glow to the skin. I love this product. So now for the skin tint, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. So I'm going to spread it with my fingers onto the skin. Okay, so let's just blend this into the skin. As this product is super blendable, it blends so easily, like no effort you need to blend this product. Perfect for dry skin people and also oily too. Now for the concealer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm just going to blending the concealer very beautifully, just in tapping motions. We're going to blend this beautiful into our skin. It is super blendable as well. It has full coverage, so it covers your dark circles and dark spots super beautifully, super nicely, and has a beautiful satin finish. So if you have a dry under eyes, this is gonna be so good for you. Guys, now for the cream blush, I'm gonna be using this Need Sticks Bohemian Rose Bloom Blush. And now we're just gonna tap this into the skin, just like so. And the finish, as you can see, it's super duper dewy. Love this so much, and wears throughout the day so beautifully. Like, it doesn't fade away, guys. It really doesn't. Even if you don't set it, it will not fade away. I know it's so surprising that I'm saying this, but if you really try this blush for your own self, you'll get the hype, guys. You'll literally get the hype. How good it is. It will not budge, literally, throughout the day. And also, I always put it on my nose as well as on my chin. As next for the setting powder, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. I'm just going to set my entire face using this beautiful powder. This powder is so good, guys. If you like glue to your skin, if you want a healthy looking glow, This powder you really need, guys. It's so good. Like, it has a beautiful pearlescent finish. It has a beautiful satin pearlescent finish. It is not matte, so it's not gonna look like powdery onto your face. It looks so pretty. It looks so healthy, guys, onto your skin. You just have to try it. This is amazing powder. Guys, now for the bronzer, I'm gonna be using this Sugar's Contour First Mini Bronzer. I'm just gonna be using this and creating a beautiful little bronzing look. Just very little. I'm just gonna be contouring my nose also. Guys, now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. Guys, I'm gonna be taking this thin brush, it's very thin. So using this, I'm going to be taking this shade called Twerk from this palette. It's a beautiful like electric blue kind of color. So I'm using this and creating a wing here on the outer corners. I'm also taking this right here onto my bottom lash line as well. Taking this fully from inner corners as well. As you can see, I feel like it looks so beautiful. I'm going to be doing this same on my other eyes as well. Guys, now I'm going to be taking this flat brush right here. It's flat but fluffy, and using this, I'm going to be taking this shade called MFED. And using this, I'm going to be using this right onto my crease and kind of like sweeping away just like that. Just like so. For that more lifted look, I just love doing this kind of trick here. Just like that. And I'm going to be doing the same on the other side. Guys, now I'm taking this shade called Silk Cream, and I'm going to be using this and putting and kind of like blending it with the previous shade MFED. Just kind of like getting a little tones of yellow in there too, just like that. As now with my eyeliner brush, I'm going to be taking the shade called Abyss right here. It's a black shade, and I'm going to be using this and kind of like using this for my close to my lash line, just like that. Put a bit more like depth to it, so I'm just gonna be doing it, kind of making a small little wing out of it too, just like so. Just like that, kind of a little bit of depth. Looks good. And I'm gonna take it all around my upper lash line, just so. I'm gonna line my inner corners using this. I'm also gonna do the same on the other side as well. So now I'm gonna be taking this shade called Obsessed, and using this, I'm gonna be putting it on my center eyelids, just like that, for a little sheen. So it doesn't look too empty, my lid. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side as well. Just like that. It looks so pretty. Now for the brows, I'm going to be taking this shade called Central Park and Abyss, both of them, mixing them and using this to fill in my brows. Guys, now for the mascara, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lash and Room mascara. First, I'm going to just curl my lashes. Guys, now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this Nude 6 highlighter. Guys, now we're just going to highlight my nose a little bit. I'm putting it right here on my brow bones, just like so. I really love highlighting my brow bones. It just looks so cohesive and so pretty. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm gonna be using this Romance lip liner. And now for the lip color, I'm going to be using this Ink Velvet by Para. Just like that. I'm using my fingers. I'm just going to blend this. It has a beautiful velvety finish to it. And it doesn't dry out the lips that I love. Now for the lip gloss, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. Now for the last step, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Long Lasting Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel, liking this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.